REST, Representational State Transfer, is an architectural style that uses identification of resources, manipulation of resources through representations, self-descriptive messages, and hypermedia as the engine of application state, to build distributed systems that are scalable and resilient to change. The term was introduced and defined in 2000 by Roy Fielding in his doctoral dissertation. Fielding is one of the principal authors of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, specification versions 1.0 and 1.1. In simple language, REST is an alternative to SOAP-based web services. Where SOAP tries to model the exchange between client and server as calls to objects, REST tries to be faithful to the web domain. Unlike SOAP-based web services, there is no official standard for RESTful web APIs. This is because REST is an architectural style, while SOAP is a protocol. REST is not a standard in itself, but RESTful implementations make use of standards, such as HTTP, URI, JSON, and XML,